So we have to find VO for the following circuit. So the first thing we're going to do is rewrite this. So we have 240 phasor 0, so that's just 240 volts. There's a 4 ohm resistor there. Then we're going to continue this and to put an 8 ohm resistor. Have this go down here. Okay, I'm going to put the inductor lower. Okay. Then another one here. 2 ohms here. This is 8 ohms. And then connect this here. Okay. So we don't know the values of these, but we can put V1 and V2 here. Okay, and we know the turning ratio. It's N2 over N1, which is just 2 over 1. Okay, so it's just 2. Okay, next thing we're going to do is set up current direction. So we'll call this one VA, VB. We'll have I1 moving here. We'll have I2 moving here. We'll have I3 moving here. We'll have I4 moving here. And then we'll have I5 moving here. There we go. Okay, next thing we see is that we have a red dot here and a red dot here, so they're opposite of each other. But then we have I1 and I2 entering the inductors. So pretty much that means the following is true. So V2 over V1 will be equal to minus N2 over N1, and I2 over I1 will be equal to N1 over N2. Okay, so V2 over V1 is equal to minus 2, and I1 over I2, so I pretty much just flip this, is equal to 2. So now let's do a nodal equation for VA. So it's going to be VA minus 240 all over 4, plus, then we have I1, we'll just call it I1, plus VA minus VB all over 8. And notice VA minus VB, that's pretty much our VO value. Okay, so we see I1 will be equal to 2I2. So we can replace I1 with 2I2. Okay, and then notice another thing. So I2, we can rewrite this. So I2 will be equal to VB minus V2 all over 2 ohms. Okay, and notice another thing. V2 is equal to minus 2 V1. So we can put this value into here. Okay, so I2 will be equal to VB plus 2 V1 all over 2. Okay, and then notice what we see V1. V1 will be equal to VA. Okay, because this is grounded here, so this is 0 volts. So that means the voltage of this inductor has to be equal to VA. So that means V1 is actually VA. And we can just put that into here. So we see the 2's will cancel each other out. So we will write this as VA minus 240 all over 4 plus VB plus 2VA plus VA minus VB all over 8. So that's our first one done. Now let's do node VB. Okay, so it's going to be VA minus VB all over 8. And that's leaving. Then what else? Okay, so then we have, hold on, I'm getting myself confused right now. Sorry. So I3 is entering. and this will be equal to I2 plus I4. So I3 is VA minus VB all over 8 is equal to VB plus 2VA all over 2 plus VB minus 0 all over 8. There we go. Okay, so simplify this, collect like terms, simplify this, collect like terms. So this one, it will yield 2.375 VA plus 0.875 VB is equal to 60. And this one yields minus 0.875 VA is equal to 0.75 VB. Now you have to isolate for VA and VB. VA will give you 44.305 and VB will be giving you minus 51.69. Now we take the difference of them because VO is equal to VA minus VB. So VO will be equal to 44.305 minus 51.69, and that gives you 96 volts.